All right, guys, this is the last lock from that treasure chest that Hans Christian sent me from Germany. This is another, this is a Zeiss Ikon, but this is the, I don't know if that's Z1 or ZI Ikon. So this is the newer logo after they were taken over by Assa Abloy. So I'm wondering if maybe the quality control has changed a little bit in these. I'm hoping, but my theory is this one will be easier, and here's why. Newer logo, maybe different manufacturing standards. The keyway, while it looks evil, it really doesn't deprive you of access. It's more for, I think, for key control than anything else. But more importantly, this is a 5-pin lock as opposed to a 7 or a 6-pinner. And when you look at that bitting, it's just atrocious. This is the worst bitting I've ever seen on a Zeiss Ikon lock. Just absolutely horrible. So when you combine all those things, I'm going to try the obvious attack, and of course that would be a rake attack. So let's try it. I'm not saying it's going to work, but maybe we can at least rake up a fault set and get on with business from there. So let's stick this guy in here. Let me back this up so that we got a little bit of visibility. You don't just see the back of my hand. Moving over in the focus zone, and let's clamp that down real good. And let's make sure that everything works the way it's supposed to, and it does. All right. Yeah, I'm going to try that guy, and I'm going to try probably this one. Why do I always grab the wrong one? I'm even going to go down 2 steps here because that's a little bit thin. So let's try that. All right, so let me get that centered. All right, so a little bit of play there. There may very well be security pins in here. And because I suspect there are, because it is a Zeiss Ikon after all, I'm going to keep very light tension while I try to just rake up from that really easy bitting, or at least a fault set, and then we'll go in and finish it off by single pin picking. That's my theory. And I got nothing. It is not giving me a fault set. I'm not really feeling a lot of, you know, like counter rotation or something you'd kind of expect from, well, I suspect there probably are no security pins in this guy. That is amazing. Anyway, we got to open, and it's kind of good. I mean, I'm glad I didn't start off with this Zeiss Ikon because this would have given me a false sense of abilities when I went after those more difficult ones. Anyway, I'm not even going to bother to gut this one. No sense, because we probably have to cut it like the rest of them. Appreciate your time, guys. Stay safe, stay legal. Hans Christian, that was the last one. Thanks for sending all those guys in.